Imagine you are driving on the highway and suddenly a Ferrari motorhome passes by. Not a sports car, but a massive luxury home on wheels inspired by the legendary style of Ferrari. People slow down their cars, take out their phones, and start recording because it looks like a racing machine mixed with a five-star hotel. At first glance, the design immediately grabs attention. The motorhome usually features a bright red body, sharp aerodynamic curves, and futuristic LED lights. From the front, it almost looks like a giant supercar. Many designers take inspiration from iconic Ferrari hypercars like the Ferrari LaFerrari, giving this huge vehicle the aggressive personality of a racing car. But the real surprise begins when you step inside. Instead of a typical RV interior, the Ferrari motorhome feels like entering a luxury penthouse on wheels. The living room area includes premium leather sofas, glossy wooden panels, soft ambient lighting, and a large smart TV mounted on the wall. The seats are designed to rotate, turning the space into a comfortable lounge where passengers can relax while traveling long distances. If you enjoy amazing vehicles and luxury travel like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next incredible video. Moving further inside, you'll find a fully equipped modern kitchen. It includes a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and smart storage cabinets. This means you can cook your favorite meals even while traveling across countries without stopping at restaurants. Next comes the bedroom area. The Ferrari motorhome usually includes a large king-size bed with luxury bedding, hidden storage compartments, and wide panoramic windows. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing mountains, forests, or the ocean right outside your window. And of course, there is a stylish bathroom as well. Inside you'll find a modern shower, toilet, sink, and LED mirror, all designed with premium materials that match the sporty Ferrari theme. Now let's talk about power and performance. Even though this vehicle is huge, luxury motorhomes like this often use powerful diesel engines producing around 500 to 600 horsepower. That means it can travel smoothly on highways while carrying everything you need for long road adventures. The driver's cockpit is also packed with technology. A digital dashboard, advanced navigation system, 360-degree cameras, climate control, and smart driving assistance features make driving this giant motorhome surprisingly comfortable and safe. Some futuristic designs even include expandable slide-out sections. When the motorhome is parked, parts of the walls slide outward, instantly creating a larger living space inside. But luxury at this level doesn't come cheap. A custom Ferrari-inspired motorhome could cost anywhere between $1 million and $3 million, depending on the design, technology, and customization. Vehicles like this are usually owned by wealthy travelers, celebrities, or people who love exploring the world without giving up comfort. Imagine traveling across entire countries with your own luxury apartment moving with you. The Ferrari motorhome shows that the future of travel is not only about speed, it's about freedom, comfort, and living anywhere you want. And now tell me, if you owned a Ferrari motorhome like this, where would your first road trip be?